Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. They genocide played Rohingya, and yesterday it's the 11th September 2024. They arrived yesterday. So Assalamu alaikum Sasa. Our name kina Muhammad Islam. Our boy Shaddur. Shana Burman Farah. I am Muhammad Islam. I am 65 years old, and I'm from Mongdu Mongnifara. So Andhra to Sasa Kalla Buli, a Burma to Andhra and Adoja, Watan Sari or Balashama Jude.
Ara Tano Harry Dash Day, Atiamana Dondo, Baden use bombs, ammunitions on us. What made us flee Myanmar? So, Andhra, Alhamdulillah, bo majidin, Andhra, rekna guru hoy bari bane. Illa duale ara ye baad diya mancha talta giya mama re. Manu damage diya mare.
Asha.
Kolle man teri besne giya Andhra.
Asha. Drop bombs on the gathered concentrated Rohingya. And when AA see that Rohingya gathered in a place, then AA fly, then AA drop bomb over them and killed. And also Rohingya when it fall, then it blast and Rohingya die. So Andhra ene mosjid nilla hodon bonto manush bumrahano mosjid in Andhra ko hoibane
hoy bhai ye mara ashilam de amade mosjid jom junda ekbar hura ye ar 10 kure jom junda galu ar gotti dijam maru
in that attack in that drone majid ne in that drone attack I lost my 2 family members and rest are my relatives. When we gather in a courier, then the AA drone attacked and killed all them. And more than and 25 of his relatives, his 25 relatives died on the spot by the drone attacks. So let's answer on just attack goje. So my fojo my book mori go. On can grab action.
Ara dungi da shidu Allah da kesurar dosturi da bunlar kesurar da
Asha 25 got injured by the drone attacks, and somehow we escaped from there, and many of them got injured. So Andhra to die bad Andhra hodigilan. Andhra to and to boom the maji Andhra hodigilan.
There ikkada shigari karam adu hola hajwa question indi baad mabagi dade surguru baad karam buru tolule ele maji tula tulu like
we were highly
Mingladi hola gaya sa shilam hoya jugara hoya dwara tige achi hajjawara.
First of all, we were hiding in Fawzifara. Then after that, when they attacked, then we relocated to Hajjafara. Then when they attacked there, then we relocated to Menglaji, Faramburu. Then the other Rohingya in Menglaji village, the other Rohingya, they helped us, and we were there for a few days. So onera hodinaki baade to Bangladesh to onera ade hal to onera Faramburu to onera Bangladesh maze kengra ashon ardase de onera to abishama ki taklif akloye.
This togli manche tula tuli are no made tuli de na
at home no togli hoy na abishama maze
bagire surga are no
magbagi surguru are no
to agonte
maze halat onera halat maze aso Bangladesh yana maze
halat ke hono thori na ek durma ki dia ana hina togli to na khai to
currently in Bangladesh we are in insurmountable situations, and then we didn't have clothes,
it is food shortages, and we don't have money, and we don't have a shelter to live. It is insurmountable situation, but somehow we are alive and surviving.
Okay.